What's up, guys? Happy New Year's. I wanted to make this video. I'm recording over this video because the audio was messed up. So this is something I realized with these black holes after I was looking into them, and I wanted to share this with you so you guys can see. I added this little 3D thing in the bottom. You guys are immediately gonna get the point. There's not gonna be any spoilers or anything. Basically, the idea is this is what I'm seeing when I'm looking at this black hole. Based on the way I've been able to train my eyes researching concave Earth and stuff. Check this out as it's moving around. It's like I'm looking at a bubble, and the light that's being projected inside of that bubble is being projected on the inside concave surface. Can you see it? Ignore the actual black hole in the middle part. That one's a little confusing. Look at the outer edges. Can you see how it looks like you're on the inside? And same thing with this concave Earth thing here. Can you see? So right around that black hole, that hole, light's bending big time there. So you could see in the concave 3D model. Let's see what's going on here. Look at the outer edges, you guys. It literally looks like it's pushed to the outer edges. I thought gravity was supposed to put towards the center. This looks like an expanse bubble from the center outwards, and it looks like it's sinking into the black hole. Maybe that might be true, but what if that black hole is in the center of this bubble, and it only looks weird due to the way light's bending inside of it? Look, once your eyes have been trained by watching the previous part, this is called a Kerr-Newman black hole. It's crazy shit. Look at this. So, all right, so it's the bubble. You're zooming into the bubble. Now you're inside the fucking bubble. What is going on? Holy shit. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. What is going on? Once your eyes learn how to see inside, like you guys can see now, I feel like we're gonna discover some new shit. That's it. So these are some random images here. Planes within planes, basically, and we would be one of them. They have black holes that are rotating, and then black holes that are non-rotating. They have black holes where supposedly it casts a lower dimensional shadow of itself or something like that. So like then you can start thinking crazy, like what if you know, we're in that shadow, we're in that Maya, the illusory world, and then the real world could be like in there or something, or this is like a reflection of the real world or a simulation of the real world. And then they have the creators at the center, and then the creator surrounds itself with like concentric spheres, which acts like lenses, which the creator can then experience itself or
And then other
reality.
things. This is something I thought was cool. So we've all seen this maze before, right?
Okay, so that Kerr-Newman thing we saw earlier, look at that. I overlaid it on top of this. It's like, I'm just theory crafting, right? So all the way to wherever that is. What else? Let's see some of these other diagrams. Kerr black hole, the rotation of the black hole causes it to stretch into an oblate spheroid shape, which would be like kind of what we have, along with changing its gravitational singularity from a single point to a ring, which would also be what we have. Again, that whole octahedral shape, that's always something to remember. Types of black holes. Schwarzschild, non-rotating, uncharged. I think that's the one that we were looking at in the video. Maybe. Maybe not. Reisner Nordstrom, non-rotating charged. Kerr, rotating uncharged, and Kerr-Newman, rotating charged.